Good evening, all. Bobby. Two Pops of Breaks. It is Tuesday, February 27th. We're breaking Gold Rush autograph basketballs. Last two boxes from our case. We get 2 and 4. We did pick a name. Get 3 via random on the, or 2 via random, sorry, on the left. We've already randomized the extra names, alphabetized the customers. Gave them a few minutes to trade, hit a couple offers, nothing was accepted though. So here we go, hoping for a few nice boxes for guys. Let me just double check on Chuck. Alright, not hearing from Chuck, so here we go. There it is. Well, you can see your name there. Sorry, guys. One of the last names off the board there for you, Irish. Finally hit yourself a fucking basketball there. Going to be the Jerry West JSA sticker and a card on that baby, man. And that really got this batch wrapped up like a mother. I will open it, Irish, if you won't. But they really got that SOB wrapped like crazy there. But gonna be Jerry West for Irish. I do believe that was Irish at least. Let me double check. Yep. That was one of our last names off the board there, folks. Irish finally gonna take a basketball for himself. Alright, here we go, folks. Box number 4. Alright, guys, last of the basketballs for us. Again, they're sold out. So let's hope we finish on a banger here. Bam. Well, not what I was hoping for, guys. I guess a little bit of a down case for us on that one. I know that Desmond Bane's not a bad hit. Tyler Hero on this one, guys. Jerry West was a good hit. So I'm assuming that Bane was our other case hit there, guys. Gonna be a Tyler Hero on this one. JSA sticker and card. Gonna be a Hofdahl, guys. Well, I'm sorry to the rest of you folks. I do appreciate you closing that out for us. That is gonna ramp up that one. We're just gonna pull our qualifiers for the jersey, guys, and then we're gonna give away the jersey right afterwards. So don't go anywhere, folks. Oh, no snake eyes. Alright, we got a 9. Alright, I'm going to pull one of Joe's and one of Irish's out. Alright, so right there, 2 of those back to backers. Alright, we got 9 times, folks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. We're gonna be Drew SD. Bam. And then our bottom to going to be Dog and Kevin. Dog got 2 qualifiers out of these. See if it pays up for him. That's going to wrap up that break, though. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central, folks. Stop on by and join us.